Morning SV squad, welcome back to another vlog. Oh my gosh, I don't want to show you my house. That's the thing about winter, is that like it's really hard to get your clothes dry. But Aussie's at work, my poor darling. We've been trying to plan to go somewhere and have a little break. Is it cold? Wait. It's really hard to do that now because of the second wave. Second wave, like, go away, second wave. Because we usually go for a holiday every year, and this will just be the first year that we haven't done that. It looks like that because they're talking about closing the borders for like 3 years until 2024 or something, some nonsense like that. And all that's going to do is just cripple the economy. Like, how is any country meant to survive? So today I'm not doing much. Usually would be at Darnell's game right now, but I'm just going to film a couple videos for my Uelese channel and wait for Aussie to get home. I'm going to clean my house, but I'm going to plug something for you guys because I know that a lot of mamas out there, and even guys, you can do this too. If you have kids and stuff, you're busy, you don't have time to do a lot of exercise and stuff. The best tip that I could give you is do it at home. There's no reason why you can't turn on your TV, get a workout from YouTube, and just do it at home. I mean, I got a gym membership and I haven't gone this week, but I have a good reason for that. And that reason's coming up in my Uelese channel. I'm gonna go get my phone and I'm gonna show you this workout that I usually do. My sister showed it to me. So when I was working from home those 3 months, I was doing it every single day on my break. You know, it's not much, but it's better than sitting at home doing nothing. Kukua dance. I said kukua, not cool dance, you stupid butthead. Okay, so this is what I usually do. I do the kukua dance workout, if you just write that. And they've got some awesome videos. They usually post a new video every couple days. There's a 45-minute one, 30-minute one, 15-minute one. I just do the 15-minute one. You can do the 15-minute one if, you know, that's your capacity. Do it in the morning, do it at night. That's 30 minutes. But it's a hell of a workout. I mean, it's definitely not like a whole gym sesh, but, or depending on how hard you go, but it's really good and it's so much fun. I love it so much. So I'm gonna do my kukua dance first, and then I'm gonna get up and clean my house. I want my husband to come home to a nice clean house and probably go shopping, or maybe I might wait till he gets home to do that, to do some grocery shopping for the week. I'm so tired. I just finished the workout. It was only 15 minutes, but man, that was a killer. So I can't be bothered cleaning the house anymore. I'm gonna have a 10-minute rest and then I'm gonna get up and clean this mess. Oh, awesome. What time? Okay, then I'm gonna quickly try and clean my house and I'll come there. Yay! Daniel's playing! I'm so excited because that's just what I like to do on Saturdays, because Saturdays is for watching Darnell play rugby. And that's just what we like to do. All of the aunties just go, we're like, go Darnell! Let's call Aussie actually. He's gonna be like, beep, 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 beep.
I'm Suzuki. Leave a message, I'll call you back. Thank you.
He's on the phone right now. Please leave a detailed message.
Excuse me, Aussie boy, who are you talking to that you are on the phone right now? You better call your wife back as soon as possible and explain yourself. Okay guys, I've got about 30 or 25 more minutes to do my bed. Alright guys, I finished now. Woohoo! So this goes in the washing. So I finally finished getting ready, guys. This is what I'm wearing today. This is what's happening with the hair today. I've got this headband. I like it because it pushes my hair back. I've actually got another headband. I don't know which one would look nicer. Okay, this is everything I intended to do. I vacuumed my couch, vacuumed around the house, cleaned the whole bench, and got my blanket there. That's as much sun as we get here. My plants are enjoying themselves. And my room. Say hi, SV squad.
Hi.
Show them what you got there. Okay, well, he doesn't want to talk.
No, you just have to get closer.
Oh, okay, so I'll go closer then. See? Closer now.
It's a monster truck.
And who got it for you?
Auntie Chrissy.
Here at the ATM at the moment, Mum's gone to the ATM. And then we're going to go home and pick up Sia and then go to Daniel's game. It was Molly's birthday yesterday, and of course, she want to spend it with her. If you know what that means. I mean, like, boo. And so I haven't seen her today. Guys, so we're finally here at Daniel's game. It's quite cold. We got Mum here. Got Sia and Evan at the back there. It's Chrissy. I think she's making her way here, but she's got 2 kids, so bit of a struggle for her to just easily get up and go. Well, they lost. Oh, is that your grandson, Sasa? Evan! Evan, come tell them how Daniel's team lost.
And tell them what you're going to eat.
No, we're not going to tell them that because we don't endorse McDonald's. Don't feed your kids Macca's. Why? Because it's full of crap. But I'm going to have a Big Mac after.
In the membrane.
In the membrane.
In the membrane. He's good. Yeah.
Yeah, this is my advice, okay? Take it from someone who has years and years of experience in rugby. You need a lot of improvement, and
which team did you play in, Victoria?
I play for Brumbies. And you need a lot of improvement. You got to work on your tackle. Forwards, you need to work on yourselves. The wings, yeah, didn't really see you spread your wings today.
Vicky, the only wings you be knowing is chicken wings, alright? Calm down.
How'd you guys get in? I got in from the gate. Do you have to go out? Do you have to go home now?
Oh, I don't know.
Good game.
See my try?
No.
But not on Tom's account. He finished. Poor fellow.
Hi guys.
He wouldn't want your sympathy, I said tartly. And he smiled.
Hey mummy. So I just got to my parents. I'm picking up my mum and I think my sisters. We're going to Daniel's game. I woke up like 3 hours ago. Had some little history lesson on religion and Bible and stuff like that. I got my parents. Where's the girls? Are they not coming? So yeah, Aussie's at work. Let me turn this down. There we go. Oh, my dad's coming. So, I better put something down, otherwise this is not good. Let me just lean that there. So they're versing Dara Marlin. I don't think it's not really competition for them, but they haven't been playing all that well this year. Sorry to say. Mum doesn't want to sit down, so I'm going to sit down. And I got my tea. I'm drinking Chinese tea medicine. Mum? Dara just scored again. Oh, look at me, look at me, look at me. Let's just see what my dad commentates, because you know how these fobs just be commentating like they played for All Blacks. Wait, don't check it. I hold it. Oh, look at me all snuggled up. And sorry, don't mind that talk in the background. But I just wanted to give a massive shout out to Sione on Daniel's team, because I was vlogging like a couple weeks ago and I did do the shout out on that vlog, but I didn't actually post it. So shout out to you, Sione, isn't it? Look who finally decided to show up. Hey, Pippi Longstocking.
What's up, guys?
Hey, Titi.
Oh, you saw it. Vicky, sit on this table for the dust.
No, why would I have to do that?
Because you're the younger sibling.
No. That's why you got to get chairs like me and look after them, okay? Not your Kmart chairs. Yay! Who scored? Daniel.
If we did not come, what would have happened?
Move your head. I can't see.
It's Lesonga. Not less sunny. Or stinky bum.
Your son came out of the car to come so that you could hold him.
Yeah, because I couldn't find his chair. That's why we took so long.
Oh boy, go back and sit in your car chair.
I was trying to find his little Lafour.
You were busy.
Mum, is his one the green one or the blue one?
So we are now hiring if you need a hype man. She charges $100 an hour.
Good work, boys.
No, because they missed you last week.
Oh, Sia, did they actually say it? Sia's like, they missed you. Did they actually say it?
Come on, Eddie.
Excuse me?
Sitting in your chair, sitting in your chair, sitting in your chair.
Listen, don't come in your Kmart chair
Listen,
and then take my
me
chair.
like that.
Okay?
You better shush before I take your dinosaur and chuck it over the field. I mean, what's this dinosaur called?
What? Mommy, what does the dinosaur called again?
It's called the But Your Bum Bum dinosaur.
What does the dinosaur called again?
This is called a Siaosi Mika room.
It's Mika.
Mika? O-room.
No,
Mika O-room.
no, see, I can't remember it.
Siaosi Mika room, I can remember. You love me, remember? He went to attack me. I said, hey, don't do that. You love me, remember? And he said, yeah. Evan.
Apple?
Sure, Mummy.
No way, Molly.
That's mine.
Molly.
Molly's a big fat bully.
Mine.
Listen to here. I will not
Listen to here.
allow this.
Here.
Okay? Stop
Do you want an apple?
Be a bully, but you are the biggest bully.
Okay. Vicky, get off my chair.
No, this is my chair.
What ifs?
Don't bring your Kmart chair and then take mine. It's all dirty. She wanted me to sit on it to clean it.
Yeah, because that's what younger siblings got to do for the older ones. No?
Yeah, not to that extent. Do you actually want to sit down
No.
on my comfy chair? Because I can let the biggest person in this family sit down if you want.
Well, let's see. Then you remain there again.
Molly, come sit down. Because you're the biggest person.
What does that mean?
I said the biggest person has to sit down.
He's already sitting down.
Did you hear what she said? This family never loved me. So we've been out all day. Well, I have. Aussie was at home watching the Samoan sevens. The sevens that they had going on. And the team that Becca played on won, Tamoli. Because Aussie's little brother was playing on it. So I went and had some girl therapy. What happened? Girl therapy. These are my nails at the moment.
So how much was it?
Got Molly
26.
there. Molly, show us your
those
nails.
For those, because it was like 3 loads.
Yee! Got Georgie boy here. Georgie. Just on our way to have some breakfasty.
Yep.
And so yeah,
It's bad weather today. Yeah, it's bad weather. You see, guys?
yep, raining every day. Hopefully they have enough chairs inside because usually we sit outside. But yeah, no chance that we're sitting outside because it's just too wet. So they're fully booked. A bit upset about that because not only are they nice, they're really cheap too. Alright. My car needs a good clean. This guy's always talking about roof racks. This car just passed, he's like, my roof rack. Really annoyed that they were fully booked out, but what can you do? Nothing. So we're going to the mall to have something to eat there. Aussie and I are really fiending for a holiday, man. It's been too long. Just everything closed. It's just so annoying because we would have already been on one by now. And we just want to get away and have some free time, a vacation or a holiday or something. Like we would have been in Samoa by now, but borders are closed and whatnot.
Yeah.
And then we tried looking around like Australia, Marimbula, but then there's like hot spots in New South Wales. Definitely not coming to Victoria anytime soon. So my dad's plans are out the door. my dad's birthday plans out the door, so we're not too sure. I guess just have to holiday at home. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Okay, so we just dropped our car off for a wash. That's the easiest way to get a park around here, I guess, and get your car clean too. But my car's overdue for a wash, isn't it, Aussie? It's been a couple months.
Yeah.
Aussie's been slacking.
Because you always miss your car every time.
Oh, come on, it's been a few months. You can't really tell here, but like in person, they're really light brown. It's so beautiful.
Appreciate that.
You appreciate that, okay. Look, we got our milkshakes. I got lime. Have a drink, peeps. You have the second drink because I already had the first.
Enjoy the breakfast. Yeah. Big breakfast for a big boy.
Yeah, also got the big breakfast, sausage breakfast. And I got one, it's a Parma. This is my first time trying cinnamon toast, man. And it's so good. No, you have to taste here. What does it taste like? Yeah. So we are back, guys, 2 hours later. Just cruising around. We'll probably have to pay to get out of here, but I took my car seats off, or the car seats, what is it? Chair covers?
Yeah, it looks clean now.
Yeah.
Everything's clean.
Everything's clean. They clean the rubber mats. Oh my gosh, we paid $5 for that parking. I haven't paid that much in so long because I'm not usually here for more than 2 hours. Oh, it's kind of windy. We're here at Anaconda. Oh. Why?
Can you tell her to stop being a little bit mean and be no mean?
Stop being a little bit mean and no mean.
Where's the other thing
Eddie?
for this?
Dirty shoes?
No.
Okay, don't put them on the chair, okay?
Okay.
Auntie Batty smack you, okay?
Okay.
I haven't been vlogging much at all today because it was really wet out at the fields. We went shopping, now we're back home and my dad wants to go and get more wood because the wood that you saw in the other vlog is all finished and we have no more wood for the fireplace. So we're going in Aussie's car, I think it's about an hour out from where we live. So we got here after a while, got a little bit lost. Mom, where are you going? You just told me to stay. Remember Auntie Molly said you get a treat because you were being so good?
Yeah.
Do you want to see your treat?
Yeah. What's that?
It's a lolly and it's a whistle.
Whistle?
Do you want it?
Yeah.
You just hold on to it, okay? We'll open it when we get home. Do not open it, Mon. Well, why does he have to come if he doesn't want to?
Sao?
Are you upset?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't want to go.
Right.
That's your lolly from Molly. Auntie Molly bought that for you. Guys, I'm about to edit this video that you're watching right now. And I do apologize, it's been a while, but look, at least we're posting another video. I'm just gonna quickly do comment of the day. Comment of the day. Sorry you guys have not seen Aussie a lot in the vlogs lately because he works on the weekend and we mainly vlog on the weekend. So the comment of the day goes to Fitz when he thought she said morning, but I actually said morning. So that's comment of the day to Fitz Aussie, come pick one quickly. Okay, quickly, Aussie, pick one.
Sorry
Oh,
guys
yeah,
for
okay.
not seeing me any vlog. Because I'm busy at work, you know.
Yeah.
Need some me.
Oh, okay, quickly.
For my ding.
Like,
I'm gonna pick the comment. It's from Tile Tusa. Lua ngelo lua chochi peia. Hello from Aotearoa.
not Aotearoa.
Yeah.
Aotearoa.
Yeah, no.
Not Aotearoa.
Aotearoa. So yeah, so vai. Ore rue mo. Just check. Yeah, so whatever you call me, rue pe mo pe ya. This is Chochi boy, you know? Yeah. Rofak mo oko. Have a good weekend and have a good week. See ya.